This is a YouTube channel that started uploading videos just 2 months ago. And with only 17 uploads, it has already gained almost 10,000 subscribers. Not only that, the channel has crossed more than 500,000 total views. And this isn't just one case. There's another similar channel in the same niche that has already gained 45,000 subscribers, and its most popular video alone has over 800,000 views. Now, the reason I'm mentioning this niche is because it's extremely simple to create. If you look at these channels, most of their videos are just 2 to 3 minutes long, which means you don't need to spend hours creating them. When you watch the videos closely, you'll notice they're made using a voiceover, on-screen captions, background music, and Stickman animation used as visuals. That's it. But here's the thing. Stick around till the end because I have a big surprise gift waiting for you. If you want to actually grow in this space, you need to watch this completely. Let me explain what makes Stickman channels different. Most of these channels use the exact same Stickman drawing style that's easily available online. But the problem is almost every motivational Stickman channel is using the same generic Stickman figures, and this creates multiple issues. First, your channel has no real brand value because the visuals you're using are the same ones everyone else is using. Second, viewers may slowly lose interest because after watching the same Stickman animations again and again, they feel there's nothing new in the content. Third, the quality of these Stickman animations is often not very high. And fourth, you're limited to what basic Stickman tools can do. Just follow me, no speech, just action. Copy the idea generation prompt and paste it in the chat GPT. It gives some topics. Now go to the script generation prompt. Copy and paste it in the chat GPT. It will ask the topic to create the script. Select the title you want, and for this video, I asked a 30 seconds video script only. Now the script is generated. Next, we copy the scene generation prompt and paste it in the chat GPT. Now the scene and the prompt for the scene is generated. Now copy the character prompt and paste it in the Google Flow, which is free. Now copy the scene description and paste it one by one. Repeat the process. Now copy the video generation prompt and paste it in the Google Flow. I know the video sucked. Let us try one more time. Yeah, this is perfect. Do this for all the images. Now put it in any kind of video editing software. I use DaVinci Resolve. The final gift I told in the beginning is, if you want to make more money, teach others how to make money.